Hi children, from past 3 days we have seen what is Holy Bible, what is the Word of God. The Word of God gives us peace, the Word of God gives us joy, the Word of God gives us comfort, the Word of God gives us direction, and the Word of God gives us success. The Word of God gives us helps us to know the purpose of our life. We'll know it from the Bible. So now we have to see one more thing, that is the Word of God is like a like I'm just telling that Word of God is strong like this stick. Okay, even if you try to break, it will not break. That's how the whatever the Word of God gives, it is very very constant and always strong, and it is permanent. Okay, the word of whatever we get from the Word of God, it is always permanent and strong. Good. Okay, and even though along with that we'll see one more thing is the world also gives us peace, but the peace that the world gives is very temporary. It will just break like this, it will easily go away. Okay, the world of the world, the earth where we are living in, this world also gives us comfort. The earth also, the in this earth will get comfort, but that comfort also is temporary. That comfort is also temporary. That also will break like this. That is not permanent. But whatever peace the Word of God gives, it is strong. It will not be broken. So that's how whatever comes from the God, from the Word of God, is always strong. And whatever comes from this world, it is not strong. It is not permanent. So what comes from the Bible is only strong, and it is always constant and permanent. So today we will see that Word of God also gives us the power to defeat the enemy. So the Word of God is also called as, in Ephesians 6:12, the Word of God is also called as the sword of the Spirit. Why we need this sword of the Spirit? With this sword of the Spirit, we can easily defeat the enemy. So what we can do is we can defeat the enemy. So the enemy will be defeated by the when we stand in the Word of God. When we stand in the Word of God, by wearing the armor of God, we can defeat the enemy. So one part of the armor is the sword of the Spirit. Because of the sword of the Spirit, the enemy is defeated. The enemy is defeated. Why? Because we stand strong in the Word of God, that is the Holy Bible. So once we stand in the Word of God,